What if you were to extract moisture from cheese to an unprecedented level? How would it impact the flavor and shelf life of the cheese? Would this change its structure? And if you pulled this off, could you add this cheese to salads, pastas, fresh soups and pizzas for a crunchy bite? These are the questions that we asked ourselves at Cheese Pop Food Group. Because people are increasingly focused on their food and know exactly what they want to eat, or not. Food must be tasty and healthy without any artificial additives. That's why we set out to devise a breakthrough solution: extremely dried real cheese, with no artificial additives and almost no moisture. Super crunchy, with a much longer shelf life while retaining its real cheese flavor. After intensive research and development, we succeeded. Our unique production method now enables us to dry our premium cheeses to unique levels, using 100% wind energy. We've set up a dedicated production plant where we produce two types of cheese products: popped and extremely dried grated cheese. We dry our cheese without extracting the fat. This means it's much easier to process than traditionally moist grated cheese, and it makes it very easy to add our extremely dried cheese to other products. When our dried cheese products are packed after rolling off the line, they contain less than 4% moisture. This gives them an extremely low water activity, and it means that our 100% cheese products have a shelf life of over a year at ambient temperatures, reducing product waste. Thanks to this revolutionary production method, you can now add a new and unique experience to such products as salads, pastas, fresh soups and pizzas. The experience of richly flavored crunchy cheese. That is how we found the answer to our original questions. From the heart of the Netherlands, we now serve industrial players around the world, enabling them to add cheese to their products. Cheese that's pure, tasty, and surprisingly crunchy.